Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and it's been a while since I don't analyze AMD in this channel and it is looking quite interesting, quite good to be honest with you guys. Of course, we are dropping nearly 3%, but today's candlestick pattern is quite meaningful and I like the high volume over here. We do see a light in the end of this tunnel. Just first remember, my dear friends, before we talk about this, click on the like button to support this channel, and if you're new around here, subscribe in order to keep in touch with my data analysis. I'm here every single day keeping you guys updated on Tesla, AMD, Apple, NVIDIA, and much more. I think you guys are going to like my content, and if you want to have access to more analysis, premium analysis, remember to subscribe my newsletters. Just check my website. The link is in the description of this video. The Finance Hydra trading newsletters, the market dive, and the Finance Hydra portfolio, which is my portfolio that I share with you guys every single week. What is your performance, Nathan? Click here. Check our performance. You will find many details in this document. My performance against the S&P, my performance in the last 52 weeks. Well, many details are here. Just check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Now back to AMD. Today's candlestick pattern is called Dragonfly Doji. I don't know if you ever heard about a Dragonfly Doji. If you not, well, let's check its overall performance. Go here, thepatternSite.com, Bukovsk's the pattern site. Just check candlesticks over here. I'm not an affiliate of Bukovsk, all right? I read his books and I just find them very amazing, very interesting. And he has this website. So let's see the Dragonfly Doji over here. This, all right? It's essentially the same, okay? So yes, it is a Dragonfly Doji today. It's the theoretical performance bullish reversal during a decline. Is AMD declining? Yes, it is declining. So in theory, it should work as a bullish reversal. Now, in reality, its tested performance, it reverses 50% of the time. The above numbers are based on hundreds of perfect trades. So statistically speaking, this is not an amazing, incredible bullish reversal, right? It feels like the odds are just 50-50. However, I think the odds are slightly a little bit higher to the bulls side in this situation, because if we analyze the context where AMD is in right now, if we analyze the broad market, SPY is doing a quite good bullish candlestick pattern just above a support level right now. QQQ is also doing a very good bullish structure in a support level. If you want to have access to more details, remember, check my newsletters. But right now, regarding AMD, it is doing a very nice bullish candlestick pattern. I mean, it's not that nice, but we are not near any support level. But considering how the indices are looking right now, I think the odds increase a little bit more on the bulls side in this situation. So I don't think it is 50-50 anymore. I think it is a little bit higher. But in order to see this bullish movement, we gotta see more confirmation. What do you mean, Nathan? Well, I think in the first place, we gotta break today's high tomorrow or Monday, meaning we gotta break $82.56 in order to trigger this Dragonfly Doji upwards, and probably the market will also follow the bullish sentiment. I'm not saying we're gonna actually reverse, because as far as I know, SPY could easily retest its EMA over here and drop all the way down again. QQQ, the exact same thing. AMD could retest its EMA just to drop to lower levels. I don't believe that's the case, because since AMD found its previous top level around $100, it has been dropping, but the volume was quite low. So this is not a real sell-off. It is just investors afraid. Investors are a little bit anxious, they are stressed, and they just don't want to buy. It is not a real aggressive sell-off over here. This is why we see this depressing volume over here. And today we see a very strong bullish movement over here, and the volume is starting to increase again. So it feels to me investors are just waiting on the sidelines, waiting for the price to drop a little bit more in order for AMD to get a little bit more attractive. Right now, if you ask me, in the 1-hour chart, we gotta see a bullish structure, okay? We gotta see a bullish pivot point on AMD, meaning we gotta see this going on. We gotta see this, okay? A crystal clear N ladder, a bullish pivot point. We gotta see a higher high, higher low. So far, we don't see higher highs, higher lows. We are just dropping. We see only lower highs, lower lows. We are near this support level seen in the 1-hour chart, which is not that meaningful, but I think if AMD does a crystal clear bullish pivot point in the 1-hour chart, and if it triggers its Dragonfly Doji today by breaking today's high, I think that's everything you want to see on AMD if you are eager for a bounce to the 21 EMA again. This is not necessarily an amazing reversal sign, it is just a bullish indicator. Now for AMD to reverse the trend again, we gotta see a bullish pivot point in the daily chart. Okay, so let's say we are gonna retest its EMA and then we drop again. If AMD reacts and does a higher bottom than this bottom level down here at $78, I think we have decent chances of doing a bullish pivot point. In that case, AMD will probably reverse the trend in the midterm as well, and it is going to seek the next resistance level at $100, $104, 104, all right? So let's wait for these confirmations right now in the 1-hour chart and in the daily chart alike. This Dragonfly Doji is quite promising. I think it has more chances of doing a bullish reversal than keep dropping, but we'll see, right? Only time will tell. If you want to keep in touch with my daily analysis, remember to subscribe to this channel and subscribe my newsletters. The Market Dive Daily Newsletter is here for you. If you want to have access to my portfolio, the Finance Hydra portfolio is there for you as well. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.